So there are a lot of crypto exchanges out there. I mean, there's Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, the list goes on. There are a lot out there, and some are better suited for newbies, some are better suited for professionals, some better suited for traders, and so on. There are a lot out there. But the truth is there are absolutely no crypto exchanges out there that can compete with traditional exchanges. There simply aren't. There just isn't. Look, traditional exchanges have been out there for a long time. If you are a professional trader or even intermediate trader with experience, you know that they just can't compete. I mean, there's MetaTrader you can download. There are real-time charts, instruments. And if you are a new trader with no experience on these exchanges, don't worry. I'll show you in just a second what you're missing. But the bottom line is cryptocurrency exchanges cannot compete with traditional exchanges. Or can they? See, what if there was an exchange that combines everything, that has the power, the simplicity, and the experience of a traditional exchange, but also does cryptocurrency and has its own token? Well, today's video sponsor, NAGA, does just that. Okay, stop. I know exactly what you're thinking. You're thinking, Paul, of course you're going to say good things about NAGA. I mean, they're your sponsor. You're going to say good things. They're paying you. And even though that's not the case, if you are a sponsor of this channel, you know that is not the case. I do understand where you're coming from. I had a hunch you would say that. And another thing, I have a lot of experience trading both in traditional markets and cryptocurrency markets. So something that looks simple to me and looks good to me might not be so simple for you. And simplicity is key here. So I thought about all that, and here's what I did. I got my nephew that has no experience in trading in traditional markets or cryptocurrency markets, other than getting an account on Coinbase to buy his crypto and trade a little bit on there. He has no experience. And what I did was I gave him the name of the site, and that's it. I told him to go sign up on his own with no help and document his experience. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna share that experience with you, then I'm gonna come back and show you the site from my perspective, the exchange from my perspective, and tell you why I think it's really cool. So here's what he had to say.
So NAGA was really easy to sign up with, and the KYC process was simple, no stress, none at all. The site's user-friendly, and even for a beginner trader like myself, I was comfortable using it. As soon as I entered the main sites, the tabs were easily identifiable. Having access to all the videos and all the step-by-step instructions made the site very calming to use, and I felt like I wanted to click on everything, just so I would learn all the information. The instructions were made clear and simple. There's copy trading, and you can adjust your trading towards your needs without having to make a mistake yourself. You can use their expertise mirrored onto your portfolio. I used to be a gamer, so the $10,000 virtual trading function was very appealing to me. I feel like this site will make me a better trader. For all these reasons, I believe NAGA outdoes Coinbase. A con for me is that there's no dark mode. I wish there was one.
Okay, so there you have it. Now let me show you the website and show you what's behind NAGA. I think you're gonna really like this. So here's the NAGA website, and as you can see, it's clean and simple to read. It's your super app for trading stocks and payments, and you can also do cryptocurrencies now. So as you can see, you can invest, you can trade global markets, from stocks to commodities to Forex and ETFs. You have trading education, meaning you can learn about trading. And let me tell you this, there are no crypto exchanges out there with simple videos, straight to the point and easy to understand, such as NAGA. There just isn't. And you can use your own virtual NAGA card. You get your own IBAN account and you can send and receive money and much more. So as you can see right here, you have hot assets. These are the ones that are hot right now. You have commodities you can trade, Forex, stocks, ETFs, you name it. Not only can you trade stocks, Forex, and ETFs, but you can also do copy trading. And what copy trading is automated investing or automated trading. What you do is you follow your favorite investor and put what money you want to invest into your account. And then what he does or she does, you do. It's basically automated trading. So it's a next level trading platform. You can trade the most popular stocks and CFDs across global markets, whether it's China, America, Europe, and so on. You have advanced charts, price alerts, and professional trading tools that I just have not seen from other crypto exchanges. It's easy to use and easy to understand. I mean, my nephew had no trouble using it whatsoever. You have low trading fees and competitive spreads. You have more than 950 trading instruments available. That's insane. And as I said before, you can do copy trading. And let's talk a little bit about that because this goes into a little bit more detail right here. You can mirror the trades of their best investors at NAGA. They basically trade, you copy them, but it's fully automated. You put how much money you want to invest, and it's all automated. So when they buy, you buy. When they sell, you sell. Their stop loss is your stop loss. Ever been confused about where to put the stop loss? They do it for you. Now, this is really not my cup of tea. I don't really like copy trading. I like doing my own trades. But if this is you, then it's available. Now, if you are a professional trader, if you are an expert trader, you can actually sign up to NAGA and people can copy your trades. So if you are a pro and you want to go that route, this may also be for you. And here's what I was talking about before. You can actually use the desktop version with MT4, MetaTrader 4, and MetaTrader 5. I used to use MetaTrader 4. If you want to be a professional trader, you need a platform like this, and you can get that with NAGA. No cryptocurrency exchanges out there offer this. They just don't. They are fully licensed and regulated. They have lightning fast deposits and withdrawals. And they accept Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, which is huge, GiroPay, Skrill, and more. All you have to do is register, verify, fund your account, and you start trading. Simple as that. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Paul, okay, this is all great. Thanks for the notes. Thanks for everything. But what is NAGA Coin? What is this NAGA Coin cryptocurrency that I could possibly get into if I do my own research? Because you have to do your own research. Obviously, I could be wrong about all this. Do not hold me accountable for your losses or your gains. So what is the utility case of NAGA Coin? What's its use case? Why should you care? And I'm going to tell you one thing that should grab your attention. Everything else, there's a lot of things. I'm going to list them down below in the description. But there's one thing that should grab your attention. NGC NAGA Coin is the only exchange utility token which is implemented onto an exchange where most volume comes from trading of traditional finance investment products. So what does that mean? Let me simplify this for you. One of the problems with crypto exchange utility tokens is that when a crypto bear market comes and trading activity drastically drops, the value of these utility tokens will also drop and decrease in demand. However, as most of the trading activity on NAGA.com now comes from traditional markets, equity, fixed income, commodities, and so on, NGC, their coin, will still be in constant demand as these trading activities will not be affected by crypto bear markets. Now, bear in mind, pun intended, that yes, it can drop in value because first of all, there might be a bear market both in the cryptocurrency sector but also traditional markets, or it could be affected by this. And this is something I want to stress. So this is a theory that we yet have to see, but it is quite interesting. So here's what I think about NAGA. Whether you are an experienced trader or a new trader, I think you should go check out NAGA.com. But I want you to research it extensively. You always have to do your own research. One way to do that research is by using a VRIN score. I'm going to link a video down below so you know exactly how to do that. But make sure you research everything. Now, I also did some research and found out that their headquarters are actually in Cyprus, which is a good thing because Cyprus is a part of Europe. And it also has many other business benefits, to be quite honest, being half Cypriot myself. And it's also authorized and regulated by the Cyprus Security Exchange Commission. And it's publicly listed on the Frankfurt Stock Exchange. So again, what I think you should do, I think you should go check out NAGA, do your research, find out if it's a platform for you. I really think you're gonna like it. Thank you very much. I hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next video.